They are taking an oath to protect and serve ice cream. You laughed harder in the commercial break.
Yeah, you told me to laugh.
The Orange County, Florida Sheriff's Office using $90,000 seized from drug dealers to purchase an ice cream truck, and now they're riding around local neighborhoods, giving out free ice cream and forming bonds with kids. Joining me now with the inside scoop, Orange County Sheriff John Mina. John, Sheriff, we love this story. Obviously, we're addicted to it, but how did you come up with this idea?
Well, every year our deputies arrest hundreds and hundreds of drug dealers. And of course, we seize their drugs, but we also seize the money that's derived from these drug sales. And so through our state and federal forfeiture laws, we are able to, purchase training and equipment for our deputies. But some of that money, as mandated by law, has to be put right back into the community for crime prevention programs and drug prevention programs, kids mentoring programs. And what better way to build trust and engage with our youth than having our cops drive around in an ice cream truck?
Why'd you pick ice cream?
Because, you saw me out there smiling and our deputies smiling and the kids are smiling. It's just a way that we know the kids are going to come to us. So when we do a lot of these different trust building events and community events, sometimes the kids come, sometimes they don't. So we're always looking for ways to get the kids to us, because we think once they get to us, once they see us that we're just regular people like their moms and dads and brothers and sisters and aunts and uncles, that they'll talk to us and they'll see us in a positive light.
Yeah, what is the reaction? Is this working? Is what you just said working? Are you able to form those bonds with kids who, quite frankly, probably get a pretty negative view about cops, sheriffs, law enforcement from social media and the like?
Right. And so many times when some of the kids, especially in our more challenging neighborhoods, see us, they might see us arresting someone or responding to something bad like a traffic crash or giving out a ticket. Here, they get to see us in a positive light. We're handing out free ice cream. We're talking with them. We're joking around with them. And it's just a nice, light way to engage with our kids.
Do you think this is going to take off in other jurisdictions, Sheriff?
Yeah, absolutely. A number of chiefs and sheriffs have already reached out to me and asked me about it. I think they will. I hope they will. And it's just a great way to engage with our community, build trust, and make the kids happy in our neighborhoods.
Now for the tough journalistic questions. What's the most popular flavor, Sheriff?
Oh, man, I think the strawberry shortcake is a big hit. There's some others. We got some of the good ice cream. We didn't want to show up with low end ice cream, and the kids are very, very excited, and so they have like 8 different flavors to choose from. I'm
not going to ask the question, do you eat the product as well? Because I don't want this to become a fraud, waste, and abuse segment. This is supposed to be fun. Sheriff John Mina, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Love this idea.
So cool.
What an amazing idea. Keep it up, because those bonds that you're forming are going to pay off in the future. All right.
Hey, it's Will Cain. Click here to subscribe to the Fox News channel on YouTube. It's the best way to get our latest interviews and highlights. And click to subscribe to the Will Cain podcast for full episodes right now.